Hello, my name is David, and I'm going to explain and show how my application works. This is a platform designed to improve how citizens report local community issues and how councils manage them. The goal of CivicBridge is to make the reporting process simple and easy to use for the public and users, while giving council staff the tools they need to track and resolve issues efficiently. So this is the citizens portal. You can sign up here. You just need to fill name, email, password, and then just click the button. And then the login for the council staff is this button right here, and then just go back. So I already have an account, so I'm just gonna log in. So now you can see your impact. You can see the open reports. You can see the resolved reports. You can see the average response time, which right now is null because there are no resolved issues, only open reports. Well, and in progress. Um, you can also see the reports that you have here. You can open them, and once you open them, you can see more information about them. You can see the picture, the uploaded picture. You can see the title. You can see the status. You can see the date and the time, the location, the description. You can see the activity timeline. In the comment section, in the activity timeline, once you submit it, this is always shown. So issue submitted, this issue was submitted by the citizen. It tells you the name of the citizen, the time, and the date. Um, yeah, if if the staff makes any changes, you're going to be able to see it either in the activity timeline or in the comment section. It depends on what it is. For example, here, the staff, he sent a public note to the citizen saying that the repair was scheduled for tomorrow at 8 a.m. And then I can just you can just add a comment and then post it. Um, I said thank you, and well, that's it. That's basically it. Also, well, we have the profile option. You can see the name, the email, your email, postcode. If you want to change it, you can change it, and then just click the save changes. Security, you can change your password. You just have to fill this current password, new password, confirm the new password, and then just click the button, update password. Notifications buttons, and then we have, if you want to delete your account, you can just click this button and then confirm it, and then that's it. And then to log out, it's just this button right there. You can see the dashboard of the issues um, right here. You just have to click that, and then you can see the open issues with the resolved, average response time. You can see the issues over time. You can see how many issues there has been in the month of March. So right now, March 6, the 12 months. So this is yearly. The issues, you're gonna see the issues of um, in this case, 2026 only. In 2027, these reset and then they start again. And then the issues by category. You can see the category, then you can see the quantity of those issues, and then the percentage, right? So for example, we have pothole. How many issues of pothole have there been? It will be 66.7%. Same with these two abandoned vehicle. Quantity would be one, and then percentage would be 16.7%. Same with tree vegetation. And the last thing is the issue heat map, where you can see all the issues around like the map. So the blue dots are issues, you can just zoom in and you will be able to see it more or less. So there's one there, another one there, another one there, another one there. Yeah. Now to report an issue, you just need to click this button. And first step is the location. You can pinpoint it, right? Or you can just write here the address. For example, I'm gonna say Galbraith Hall. And then if you want to be more exact, maybe like the road behind Galbraith Hall. You can also use the My Location button, and then it will automatically just take your location. You won't have to do anything else. So next would be the next step would be report issue details. Now you have to write down the title, the description, and then you have to mark the issue. If it's urgent, you can just mark it down. If not, then you can just leave it like that. So let's just say pothole behind, or just pothole in the road, maybe, and then description. There is a giant pothole in the middle of the road, um, right behind Galbraith hole, um, something like that. Now this is optional. It's something that you can just skip. Um, but I'm gonna upload a picture of the pothole just so that we can see the AI categorization working. So once you upload it, you can just click next, and then the AI suggests that this is a pothole. So the category for this picture is pothole. If it's wrong or if that's not it, you can just click here and then you can just change it to something else. In this case, the AI suggestion is right, so I don't have to change anything. I can just um, click the next button. So the last step, step 5 of 5, is the review. You basically check that everything that you have written is right. If anything is wrong, you can just click the edit button and then just change it. And then once you read everything, you can just submit the report. And now we're going to be able to, this is the report that I just created, that I just reported. So you can open it and see everything, all the details. So that is basically what the citizen side would look like. Now I'm gonna show you the staff side. So first login. Once you log in as a staff, right now I'm a staff. You can see the open reports, the assigned reports, overdue, average time. You can filter the reports by in review, in progress, resolved. You can open. So this is the one that I just created as a citizen. I can just open it and um, see the original report. You can see the description and then all the other features that we have. That would be a status management. You can add a public note, and you can also add an internal note that only the staff would be able to see. Then you also have the upload after photo. So imagine this has been fixed. You can just take a picture, upload it, and then the citizen will be able to see the issue, the picture of the issue resolved. And then here in the action log, you can see everything, every change, any changes that the citizen or the staff makes, you will be able to see it there. So I'm going to show you an example. For example, this one. Um, so I added, well, this was done by the staff, and this one was done by the citizen. So this one is a public note. basically saying repair is scheduled for tomorrow 8 a.m. You can see the time, you can see the date, you can see who did this. This note would be shown in the timeline of the report. Um, you can also see internal note. Team B will try to go earlier. This is something that only the staff would be able to see, no one else. Um, you can also see the status change. So status change to in progress. And then team assignment. It was the issue was assigned to highways team A, and then this was done by the citizen. He said thank you. So yeah, that is basically the features that the staff can do. And then you can also see the profile. You can see your profile, you can see the email, you can change anything, the name if you want to change it, the postcode, and then you just click save changes. You can change the password as well, notifications, and then you can delete your account, and then you can just log out. And that is pretty much everything about the app. Thanks for watching.